In this video, we are going to talk about why rich people are rich and how rich people become rich. So guys, one of the biggest difference between a rich person and a poor person is that their mindset. A rich person always think about big dreams. A rich person always think about earning $10 million, $1 million. But a poor person always think small, have a small dreams, have a small goals. He think about earning $1,000, $10,000. So what the signal are you giving to your mind? The mind will convert that dream into reality. If you are telling your mind that how would I earn $10 million, then your mind will tell you how to earn $10 million. If you ask your mind how to earn $10,000, then your mind will tell you how to earn $10,000. All the game is of your mindset. So if you want to become rich, you have to make your mindset like a rich person, because a rich person always think big. And the second difference between rich and poor person is that why rich people are rich? Because rich people have assets. Assets are increasing the value of their money. Assets are your shares, your bonds, your real estate or property. All of these things come in your assets. So if you want to become rich, you have to buy assets. You have to invest in stock market, get stocks, buy stocks, invest in bonds, invest in mutual funds, invest in real estate. When you start building assets, then your capital will start increasing. A poor person always do expenses. He do not know that how to invest his money, how to save his money. Rich people always invest their money. One of the most important rule used by rich people are 50-30-20 rule. What is the 50-30-20 rule? 50-30-20 rule said that your 50% of your income goes towards your needs, 30% of your income goes toward your wants, and 20% of your income goes toward your investing. So rich people always do investing first. When they get income, they invest first and do his or her own expenses second. So if you want to become rich, you have to buy assets and invest your money. If you never invest 20% of your income, at least invest 10% of your income, because this one habit gonna change your life forever. You see that the power of compounding is the 8th wonder in the world, and the power of compounding increase your money and make you wealthy. Rich people know how to double his money, but the poor people never know all these things. Rich people invest on their self so that they can learn new skills and get new knowledge, but a poor person never invest in her or himself. Why are you doing this thing? If a poor person wants to become rich, he had to start investing in his or herself. When you start investing in yourself, you will start growing. Start learning things that will help you to grow. Make your mindset like a rich person. Rich person never afraid from risk. They always take risk, because if there is high risk, then there is high reward. So if you want to get high reward, you have to take high risk. A poor person never take risk because they think that we cannot afford risk. In all of the assets, there is risk, but rich people knows how to manage that risk. And these are the all reasons why rich people are becoming richer and poor people are becoming poorer. These are one of the biggest difference between a poor person and a rich person. So if you want to become rich, start investing on yourself, start investing money, start learning new things. So guys, if you want to learn how to become rich, so watch this video. In this video, I had tell you about one of the top secrets used by rich persons to become rich. I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe our channel and must on bell icon. So guys, सीखते रहिए और लोगों को सिखाते रहिए.